Good morning, how are you today? Today we have the past simple tense. My name is Seba with you. The past simple tense in grade 5 primary and verb to be in the past simple tense, okay? The definition of the past simple tense: the simple past tense, sometimes called the preterite, is used to talk about the completed action, okay? And in a time before now. The simple past is the basic from the past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and action duration isn't important, okay? So what is the meaning of the definition of the simple past tense? This is completed action in a time before now. Tense, the form: past simple tense in infinitive plus ed. What is the meaning of the form of the past simple tense? We have two things, singular and plural. What is the meaning of the singular? It's contain of I, you, he, she, it, plus verb, the verb in the second form. Number two, plural, we have you, we, they, plus the verb in the second. Like what? What is the meaning of this? For example, I watched TV. We have I come with the verb in the second form and plus ed, okay? For example, worked, talked, played, enjoyed, finished, started, rained, opened, okay? After this we have keywords of the past simple tense. What is the meaning of the keywords of the past simple tense? We have ago, last, yesterday, lately, once upon a time, yesterday, today, morning, long ago, one a day, 2 weeks ago, last night, for 3 months, last year, for April to May, in 190-95. This is the keywords of the past simple tense. Some questions. This is about did, and answer with yes or no. For example, we have, did Mona eat sweets? I will answer with yes, she did, or no, she didn't. After this we have, did you buy the clothes? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did we open the door? Yes, we did. No, we didn't. We have explained this next page now, and so I will talk about what is the meaning of. We have irregular verb. What is the meaning of irregular verb? This is verb not add d or ed. So look the example number 1. The verb number 1, swim, it changed to swam, okay? So repeat after me, swim, swam. This is irregular verbs. Past participle, swam. Swing, swung, swung. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Throw, three, throwing. Understand, understood, understood. Wake, walk or walked, woken or walked. Wear, wore, worn. When, won, won. Write, wrote, written. This is a regular verb. He played football yesterday. This is example number 1. What is the meaning of this? He singular form. So I will put the verb in the second in the second form. What is the meaning of this? I will put ed because this is in the past simple tense, and we have yesterday. This is the key word of the past simple tense. She went to farm last week. It slept at the garden 1 day ago. In example number 2 we have she went. Okay, what is the infinitive of the verb went? The infinitive is go. So in the past we have changed this verb to went, the second form. After this we have slept. The infinitive form, the verb is sleep. I will change this verb to the past. I will put slept. Mothers cleaned the house last day. We ate the lunch at the restaurant yesterday. You wrote the lesson 1 hour ago. After this we have verb ate, the infinitive verb eat. After this we have wrote, the infinitive verb is write. Okay? Past simple tense, regular verbs and irregular verbs. In regular verbs we have put ed or d, like to play, played, played. But in the irregular verb, like make, made, made. So this is infinitive verb. Now I will talking about the negative form. The form is negative. Subject plus didn't plus basic form. What is the meaning of this? I will say, for example, I didn't play football. So I don't say played because didn't, it changed the verb to infinitive. You didn't go the cinema last night. You didn't go, I will change go to infinitive because this is negative form with didn't. Now we have talking about the question form, did plus subject plus basic form. For example, did he play football yesterday? Did it go to the cinema last night? After this we have WH question. WH question with did plus subject plus basic form. For example, what did we play yesterday? Football. Where did they go last night? To the cinema. Okay? Some question. Rewrite. Number 1, Nada climbed the tree yesterday. It changed into negative. Please, all the class, change into negative. I will say Nada didn't climb the tree yesterday. I will put didn't climb plus infinitive the tree yesterday. Change into question. Did Nada climb the tree? Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Okay? After this we have some examples and answer it. Rewrite. My father read the newspaper every day. Please, I want to ask, what is the sentence in this? What is the tense of this sentence? We have every day, so this is present simple tense. I want to negation. This sentence This is true. My father didn't read the newspaper yesterday. So, what is the wrong in this sentence? This is every day because this is for past simple tense. So I will negation to the past simple tense. My father didn't read the newspaper yesterday. After this, the boys played volleyball last week. I want to ask with what. This is in the past simple tense, so I will ask with did. I will put what plus did. They play last week. We have the play in infinitive tense. Nada ate sweets 1 hour ago. When? When did Nada eat sweets? My teacher wrote the lesson last day. Correct. My teacher wrote the lesson last day. Okay. Now we have change verbs into past. We have regular verbs and irregular verbs, present and past. For example, escape, it changed to escaped. Stay, stayed. Call, called. Just I will put d, ed, ed. Number 2, irregular verbs, present and past. Think, change to thought. Why? Because it's irregular verbs. Take care, to care. Send, sent. Okay, send. This is some question about grammar worksheet about the past simple tense, positive, negative, and the question. Please, all the students, look at these examples and answer it with me. Number 1, he goes to bed early. I want to change this to the past simple. He went to bed early. We don't like onions. We didn't like onions. Stewart live in Vancouver. Who can answer this? Stewart didn't live in the Vancouver. I want the form. Stewart lived in the Vancouver. Does she exercise? Did she exercise? I hate cooking. I hated cooked. They play video games. They played video games. He knows the answer. He knows the answer. I forget his name. I forgot his name. And this is sentence. Please, all the students answer it. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.